Hi everybody, my name is Julie and I'm from the Mississauga Library. Join me for an amazing water experiment in rainbow water. So today I'm going to show you how to do a really cool experiment. It's super easy and it involves things you probably already have sitting around your home. So here's what you're going to need. 7 see-through cups, some paper towel, some water, and then some food coloring. You're going to need the primary colors, so red, yellow, and blue. Now the first thing you're going to do is set up your cups. Now I've chosen to do mine in a straight line, but you can do whatever you like. You can always do an arc or some other format. Next, we're going to fill our glasses with water about 1/3 of the way up. You just want enough that the bottom of your glass has some water in it. Next, we're going to be mixing in some food coloring. We're going to be doing red in the 1st and 7th glasses, about 6 drops each, some yellow in the 3rd glass, and finally, some blue in the 5th glass. All right, next, we're going to be taking our paper towel. Now, you're going to need a sheet that you're folding along the long edge, about 2 inches in width. So I'm going to fold one up as an example, along the long edge, roughly about 2 inches in length, something like this. And now we're going to fold that in half one more time, so we have a little rainbow arc. And this is going to be going into our water glasses. So I'm going to put my first paper towel into my 1st and 2nd glass, making sure that it's touching the bottom of the glass. And I'm going to repeat that process for all the glasses. Now what is going to happen is the food coloring and water from glasses 1, 3, 5, and 7 is hopefully going to travel up the paper towel and mix with the glasses that don't have any food coloring in it. And by mixing my primary colors, I'll be creating some secondary colors and a rainbow. Pretty neat, huh? There we go. Now, here comes the hard part. We gotta wait. Hey everybody, time to check back in and take a look at our results. As you can see, we have created a beautiful water rainbow simply by mixing our primary colors together. Our red and yellow have produced this beautiful orange. Our yellow and blue have made a lovely green, and our blue and red have made this beautiful shade of violet purple. I hope you guys enjoyed this science challenge as much as I did. For more fun and exciting projects and activities, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, take a look at our social media pages, and don't forget about our online programming. See you guys over the rainbow. Take care.